Hello, my wonderful subscribers. So, day 2 is Coastal Darshan, which is very popular initiative, and it offers tourism experiences that showcase the beautiful coastline of Mumbai through boat rides. So, here we'll be discussing about Coastal Darshan in Mumbai. So, this services allows both locals and tourists to explore the scenic and historically significant coastlines of the city from the water, and it even offers a unique perspective of Mumbai's rich maritime heritage. So we'll be seeing a detailed look at its history and the experience it provides. So basically, the concept of Coastal Darshan in Mumbai emerged as a part of efforts to promote tourism and provide an immersive way to experience the city's coastal landmarks. And this initiative was launched by Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation to highlight the city's waterfront beauty and historical significances. So basically, the routes which this Coastal Darshan covers are Gateway of India, Marine Drive, Worli Sea Face, which is another prominent area with a beautiful promenade and views of Worli Bandra sea links. It also covers Haji Ali Dargah, which is a historic mosque located on the islet, which offers a picturesque sight from the boat. So we have here three types of tour package. First is a regular sightseeing tours, and this tours typically covers major coastal landmarks and are varying duration. The second is a special theme cruises, and this might include sunset cruises, dinner cruises, or themed experiences which focus on particular aspects of Mumbai's culture and history. And the third type of tourist package is private charter, which is available for those who is looking for more personalized experiences. So basically, the highlights and the attraction of this Coastal Darshan is historical landmarks, and this landmarks includes the Gateway of India, naval dockyards, and old colonial buildings. Then it even shows the natural beauty of Mumbai, that is Mumbai's coastline. They offers breathtaking views of the Arabian Sea, city skyline, and natural formations. And the tour guides offers this fascinating stories and historical views from places that can be seen from the boat. So mainly the Coastal Darshan in Mumbai is just not only a boat ride, but it also helps in exploration of the city's soul from the perspective of its historic waters. It offers a blend of natural beauty, architectural marvels, and cultural richness, making it a must-do for anyone looking to truly experience Mumbai. Through these tours, one can appreciate the intricate relation between the city and the sea that has shaped Mumbai's history and continue to influence its vibrant present. So this is for this tour. So it's a must visit place, and you should definitely go for Coastal Darshan. It's really recommendable. So we'll meet now for the third tour or third Mumbai Darshan that will be shown in the next video. So stay tuned, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.